As a poultry farmer, egg consistency, egg production should be your main goal. And as a veterinarian, with years of experience, I have seen firsthand how natural factors such as weather patterns can affect egg production for chicken. One of the most common issues that farmers face is the decline in egg production during rainy season. This is a result of reduction of natural light that the chickens receive due to shorter days and increased cloud cover, shortening the day length. The decrease in light affects the chickens' hormone production in internal clocks, leading to a decline in their egg laying capacity. And that is our topic today. Don't forget to like, comment, and even share to other farmers, maybe in your group, in your circle, who are likely to experience the drop in production more so during this rainy season. But fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue and ensure constant and consistent egg production throughout the year. One solution is to supplement light on rainy days. Supplement artificial lighting. Providing a minimum of 14 hours of light per day is essential to maintain the chicken's egg laying capacity. This can be achieved by installing artificial lighting in the chicken house. Supplemental lighting not only helps to maintain egg production during the rainy season, but also other benefits for the chicken, for your layers. It can help reduce stress, promote better health, and improve the overall productivity of your flock. Furthermore, it can stimulate the growth of your young chicken, of your pullets, and lead them to higher quality eggs and higher production, which I bet is your goal when you're layering layers, commercial layers, improved kienyeji, as long as they are laying eggs. But why is light so important for chicken's egg production? The answer lies in the way that chickens' bodies respond to light. Like most animals, chickens have an internal biological clock that regulates their daily rhythms, including their sleep-wake cycle, hormone production, and behavioral cycle. This clock is sensitive to changes in light levels, particularly to the blue light spectrum. When chickens receive less than 14 hours of light per day, their bodies interpret this as a signal that winter, the cold season, is approaching, and their reproductive systems shut down because they need to reserve that. This is because chickens are seasonal breeders and they need long days and abundant food to sustain the energy demands of egg production. So when they receive less light, their bodies prioritize survival over production. Supplementing light on rainy days can help to override this natural response and keep the chicken reproductive system active. However, it is important to note that providing too much light can also have negative effects on the chicken's health and well-being. Chickens need a regular day-night cycle to maintain their natural rhythms and to rest and recharge. Providing 24-hour light can disrupt their sleep and stress levels, leading to decreased productivity and increased risk of diseases. Therefore, it is essential to provide a consistent and regulated amount of light to ensure optimal conditions for egg production for your poultry. Aside from providing supplemental light, there are other measures that farmers can take to maintain the health and productivity of their flocks. For example, maintaining proper temperature and humidity levels in the chicken houses is crucial for preventing disease and promoting growth. Chickens are sensitive to heat stress and can become dehydrated and lethargic in the temperature if the temperature is too high. On the other hand, if the temperature is too low, the chicken immune system can be compromised, leading to an increased risk of respiratory infections and disorders. By keeping the poultry house at a consistent and comfortable temperature, farmers can ensure that their chickens are healthy and productive. Another factor that affects the productivity of chicken is their nutrition. Chickens require balanced diet that includes protein, vitamins, and minerals to support their growth and egg production. A lack of proper nutrition can lead to decreased egg quality and quantity, as well as an increased susceptibility to disease. Therefore, farmers should ensure that their chicken have access to a well-balanced diet that meets the nutritional needs for your chicken to give you better production and for you to smile all the way to the bank. This can be achieved by providing them with commercial feed or by formulating custom diet that meets their specific requirements. Engage a Lamwa nutritionist, a Lamwa Vetcare animal scientist, animal nutritionist, for us to be able to customize the requirements, the right requirements for your chicken, for you to be in business. At Lamwa Vetcare, we provide consultancy services to help farmers maintain the health and productivity of their flocks. Our experienced and licensed veterinarians can advise on the best practices for maintaining optimal conditions for chicken, including lighting, temperature, and the very vital nutrition. We understand the unique needs of each farmer and provide tailored solutions to ensure their success. See you in our next video. Don't forget to share to farmers the gospel. Share the gospel to farmers that might be experiencing the challenge on production at this stage, during this stage, the rainy season, where the dark hours, the light hours are regressed, go below the 14-hour light requirements for you to produce an egg. You've been taken through the video by Vet Mwangi of Lamwa Vetcare, Poultry Department. Don't forget to like and share. See you in our next video.